What if I told you you could start making $100 a day online with zero experience and almost no money? And I mean it. Not someday. Not after years of learning. But starting right now. Even if your bank account is almost empty. Yeah. Most people scroll past this and stay stuck in the same life. Same problems, same stress about money. Don't be that person. Stay with me because what I'm about to show you is exactly how beginners in the USA are already making real money online. Step by step. No fancy degree. No expensive setup. Just simple online skills. Use the smart way. Let's break it down. Here's the truth. The fastest way to make money online right now is freelancing. And no, you don't need to be talented or an expert. You just need to start small. Think about basic things like writing short captions for Instagram, editing short videos for TikTok, or designing simple posts using free tools. That's it. And here's what most people don't realize. Businesses don't care if you're perfect. They care if you can solve a small problem. For example, a small business owner in the US might pay $10 just for one Instagram caption because they don't have time to do it themselves. Now imagine this. You do 10 small tasks like that in a day. That's already $100. Simple idea. Real money. No overthinking. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are full of beginners doing exactly this every single day. Now let's go one level deeper. And this is where things get interesting. Faceless content creation. This is exploding right now in the USA. And the best part? You don't even need to show your face. You can create videos like motivational stories, money tips, life advice clips, or even short storytelling videos, and post them on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. Here's where things change. At the beginning, you might get 10 views, maybe 100. But if you stay consistent, the algorithm starts pushing your content. And then one day, one video just blows up. And that one video can bring followers, money, brand deals, affiliate income. One viral moment can literally change your financial life. That's not motivation. That's how the system works. Now let's talk about something powerful but super simple. Affiliate marketing. This is where you get paid without creating anything. You simply recommend products. That could be Amazon products, apps people already use, software tools, or online services. You share a link, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. That's it. No inventory, no customer support, no stress. And here's what people miss. Even small numbers work. Just 5 to 10 sales a day, and you're already around $100. This is why so many beginners in the USA are quietly building income streams with this method. It looks simple, because it is. But it works if you stay consistent. Now let's slow it down and talk about something underrated. Microtasks and simple online gigs. This is the easiest entry point. You do small tasks like data entry, testing websites, transcribing audio, or filling short surveys. Platforms like Clickworker and similar sites pay for this kind of work. Now listen carefully. This is not rich quick money. But it is start here money. It helps you get your first few dollars online, and that matters more than people think. Because once you prove to yourself that you can earn online, everything changes mentally. Now let's move to something smarter. Digital products. This is where beginners start leveling up. You don't need to create anything from scratch. You can sell ebooks, templates, resume designs, Notion planners, or digital guides. Some people even buy resale rights and flip them. Here's a simple example. You buy a digital product for $10. You sell it for $20. You sell it 10 times. That's $200. And the best part? There is no inventory limit, no shipping, no restock. Just pure digital profit. Now here's something most gurus don't explain clearly. The real money online doesn't come from one method. It comes from stacking. Smart beginners combine freelancing plus content creation, affiliate marketing plus short videos, digital products plus social media pages. And this is where income starts to become stable. Not random, not luck-based, but consistent. Even a small page, if you post every day, can slowly turn into a money-making machine. But let's be real for a second. You don't need 10 ideas. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need more videos. You just need one starting point, one skill, one platform, one decision. Because most people stay stuck for one reason. They keep watching, but never start. They keep learning, but never earning. And here's the truth nobody likes to hear. Your first $100 online will not come from perfection. It will come from action. Messy action. Simple action. Daily action. So pick one method from this video. Start today. Because in the online world, the people who win are not the smartest. They are the ones who start early, stay consistent, and never quit.